Hello and welcome to another update video about MATIC. MATIC has not yet completed its correction, at least there is absolutely no evidence for it. You can see still, we're tracking still two wave counts. One is the bullish one is the bearish one. In the bullish one, we have basically three waves up so far in the yellow wave count, 1, 2, 3. The wave 4 is unfolding right now. No evidence it's completed yet, but ideally it's getting completed. Ideally before it breaks below 70 cents. Yeah, that would be great if we can hold the 70 cent level. Okay, if not, then at least 64, 65 cents. That's the golden ratio, the 61.8 retracement level. Ideally we're holding that. Yeah, if not, then things are gonna get less certain, okay, on this chart. We already, let's say, only in a diagonal pattern anyway in the yellow wave count, and you cannot trust these diagonal patterns anyway. So we always need to be on the side of caution until we have 5 waves completed. As soon as we have these 5 waves completed, probabilities get a bit clearer. At the moment, we only have a 3-wave rally. Cryptos like to do 3-wave rallies also in A, B, C structures. That's the white count. It would just be a B wave here, which can then lead to a C wave. And that would be the bearish wave count. If we see a break below 64 cents, then it's very likely that we're going to test the area around 41 to 50 cents again, okay? So with 5 waves up, we can then start to watch for a support area, for a, let's say, more reliable setup. And then we are watching for a corrective pullback into support. 5 waves up, 3 waves down, and then from there it could certainly go. That would be the ideal situation. 5 waves up, 3 waves down. However, at the moment we only have three waves here. Yeah, so that means things are still very much in limbo. Yeah, we're not out of the woods yet. And also the price hasn't given us any evidence that this correction is completed. In yesterday's update, I highlighted to you we might make a new low. Seems to be going that way. We haven't done it yet, but it seems to be going that way. Use the trend line as a first indicator if the support has been found and if a low is in. Okay, a break of the trend line will not be confirmation that a low is in, but it's certainly something to watch then. You know, it's an indication. We then need to take out the previous swing high for additional confirmation at 79.5 cents. And then here 85 cents is very important, that level. And ultimately, as long as the 64 cent level is holding the golden ratio, I would be watching for a rally towards round about $1.20 plus in this 5th wave. So yeah, it seems quite reasonable to expect that. But yeah, let's see. I mean, at the moment it looks okay. You know, it's certainly nothing too concerning here. I'm just thinking if it makes sense. Can we add a trend line? Does it make sense? Sometimes these diagonals adhere to trend channels, but I think this one might not so much. Nah, this broke. So yeah, maybe on the linear chart, sometimes you see on the linear chart it might do. No. So yeah, broke all horizontal, not horizontal, broke all ascending trend lines. So yeah, let's see. The correction is probably not over. It's likely forming within this Y wave here an ABC structure, so we can add a label to that. I just mentioned it yesterday, haven't labeled it. So A wave, yeah, then this was likely the B wave, and we're now sort of slowly coming down in wave C. Yellow, and yeah, let's see. And the idea is that oftentimes, yeah, I mean, you can also, I mean, we've got the support areas here. You can also add in addition the Fibonacci extensions. So for example, wave Y oftentimes relates to the wave W in a way that wave Y reaches the 100% extension level. That's at 68 cents, so that's the level to watch. And then we can also measure just the ABC structure. And if we use that and measure the 100% extension, then it takes us to around about 66. So there's a bit of a confluence there. And certainly I think a lot is pointing towards the area between 70 and 64, 65 cents. Not much more to add at this stage. So hopefully we start to see some price action to the upside this week. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter. You can find the links for those in the video description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.